Thank you for joining us. My name is Ralph Tavares and I'm coming to you live from McCormick Place in Chicago for the annual AHR Expo, where we are showcasing our central installation, a complete heating and water management solution. We'll be talking to our team members to show you exactly how these components work together to bring you quality domestic hot water. Cold water from the city enters Watts OneFlow, where water is treated to prevent scale deposits in the system. Ryan, I have a question coming in from our Twitter feed for you.
Sure.
And the question comes from #ElDiablo, and it says, how does OneFlow work?
That's a great question. Water hardness is the problem, and OneFlow is the solution. OneFlow is a scale prevention technology that Watts offers that takes the dissolved hardness in the water and converts it to microscopic nanocrystals.
Right.
Once the hardness in the water has been converted to a crystal form, it's lost its ability to stick to surfaces in the plumbing system and form scale.
Cold treated water is sent to Easy Plate water heater, where hot water from Benchmark Platinum transfers thermal energy to cold treated water, generating domestic hot water. We have a question for you from our Twitter feed from #NeedsToKnow.
Okay.
The question is, how does the Easy Plate storage contribute to system efficiency?
The Easy Plate storage is an ideal solution for domestic hot water and commercial applications. It's able to improve the system efficiency by utilizing a condensing boiler, taking the heat from the boiler water, using it to produce domestic hot water, and returning the coolest temperature water back to the boiler. How it does that is we'll transfer the boiler water through this heat exchanger, we'll extract as much heat as possible, put it in here to the Aquaplex storage tank. That will provide the hot water to the building. And if you'll notice in this model, we've taken 2 heat exchangers and stacked them. So what that does is provide basically 2 water heaters in one footprint. For volumes, we're able to go as low as 10 gallons per minute up to 200 gallons per minute. The Aquaplex storage tank is special because it is manufactured out of a lean duplex alloy. So there's no tank linings required, and it's got a warrantable life for 25 plus years. So what's neat about this product is you've got complete redundancy or double output and a long life storage product for your domestic water hot needs.
Domestic hot water is then sent to the tank for storage, and cold water is sent back to Benchmark Platinum's lower return to continue the heating cycle, thereby increasing plant efficiency. Twitter question coming in for you, and it's coming from #HotWater. And it says, how does the Benchmark Platinum dual return help optimize efficiency while meeting domestic hot water needs?
Thank you, and great question. Now, if you guys will just follow me, I'll show you.
Great.
Come over here.
Thanks.
So the Benchmark Platinum is our most premier boiler, and one of the features it offers standard is dual return connections. Now, with dual return connections, particularly if you have an application with domestic hot water, typically the return from the domestic side will be much lower than the return from the space heating side. In a traditional installation, you would merge those two into a single connection. It would raise the temperature a little bit, so you might not see the best efficiency that you could possibly get. However, with dual returns, take the nice cold lower return from the domestic side, which is typically 90 degrees, pipe them separately, so now the boiler sees the coldest return temperatures possible, and it's in condensing mode longer, and we can see anywhere up to 8% efficiency gain as a direct result. So that way you are able to optimize your installation.
IntelliStation blends hot water from the storage tank with cold treated water from OneFlow, then sends safe, precise temperature domestic hot water into the building for distribution. Dan, I have a question coming in from our Twitter feed from #help. And it says, can you connect the IntelliStation to a building automation system, and is there additional cost?
So absolutely, you can connect the IES station to any BAS system that you have out there. There's 11 data points on the system. You're going to have data points such as inlet temperatures and pressures on the cold and hot water. You're going to have an inlet and outlet temperature and a pressure. You're going to have a return temperature and pressure. You're going to have a flow meter package on it. All that information is bundled and sent out to your BAS system. We have 3 languages that we can speak out of the box. It's the BACnet IP, BACnet and STP, and Modbus.
That's all we have for you today. On behalf of the entire Watts team, thank you for stopping by. And remember, for your complete heating and water management solutions, just say Watts. Goodbye.
Put OneFlow before your heater, cause it's the market leader. With successful installations all around the nation.
You heard it live. Word. Tell us something about Neri that normally people in the office wouldn't know about you.
Something they don't know about me. I would say, well, I was a wrestler in high school and a little bit in college. So,
Wrestler in high school. Don't mess with Neri. Thank you for your time.
my pleasure. Thank you.
A complete heating and water management solution. Good, do it again. Your new novel has been released and it's a bestseller, The Life and Mind of Dan Shekry. And I just wanted to congratulate you and all the best.
Thank you very much.
Is it true that you, in your master bedroom, have a PVI hot tub? Can you confirm or deny?
I cannot confirm or deny the allegations at this time.
There you have it.